Hey there, local business owners. In today's digital age, having an effective website is crucial for your success. Whether you're a small bakery, a local boutique, or a neighborhood gym, your online presence can make or break your business. So let's dive into how you can build a powerful website that stands out and drives results. Hi, my name is Asad Robinson with ARD Solutions, and today we're going to explore the essential steps to creating an effective website for your local business. We'll cover everything from planning and designing to SEO and customer engagement. So, ready to transform your online presence? Let's get started. First up, planning your website. This is the foundation of your online success. Define your website's purpose, whether it's to inform, sell, or entertain, and understand your target audience. Consider their demographics and online behaviors to tailor your site accordingly. This will guide your overall design and content strategy. Identify your target audience by analyzing their age, gender, interests, and online behaviors. Use this information to create content that resonates with them. Conduct competitor analysis to understand what others in your industry are doing well and see where the opportunities are at. Next, choose a domain name that's relevant, simple, and memorable. Incorporate keywords if possible, but keep it natural. For instance, austinphysicaltherapy.com is clear and effective, while best-cakes-4-u.com can be confusing and less professional. Choose a name that reflects your business and is easy to remember. Incorporate keywords that's relevant to your business to improve search engine visibility. Avoid using numbers, hyphens, or unusual spelling that can confuse customers. Select a reliable hosting provider. Consider share hosting if you're on a budget, but for better performance, dedicated hosting is the way to go. Prioritize uptime, speed, and customer support to ensure your site is running smoothly. Look for a provider with high uptime guarantees and fast loading speeds. Ensure they offer 24/7 customer support to address any issues promptly. Design your website with user experience in mind. Use a responsive design that looks great on all devices and create a simple navigation structure. A well-designed site keeps visitors engaged and encourages them to explore further. Prioritize a clean, intuitive layout that guides users to important information. So keep navigation simple and straightforward so they can find what they need. Content is king. Your homepage should be engaging with a clear value proposition and compelling visuals. Provide detailed but concise descriptions of your products or services and build trust with an authentic About Us page. Your homepage should clearly communicate what you're offering. Use high quality images and concise descriptions to highlight your products. And with your About page, tell your story about your brand and connections that you want to build with your visitors. Now, SEO, search engine optimization, is crucial for visibility. So start with keyword research and then integrate those keywords into your website. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to identify relevant keywords. So it's easy for you to incorporate those keywords into your content, your meta tags and headers without overstuffing. Build backlinks by guest blogging, collaborating with influencers, and sharing valuable content. For local businesses, local SEO is a game changer. So ensure your Google My Business listing is complete and accurate. Use local keywords in your content and encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews because that's going to help your rankings. These local keywords is going to help attract nearby customers. And with those positive reviews, it's going to enhance your local reputation. Be sure to integrate your social media accounts with your website because your website is part of a digital hub and you want it to link to the other platforms that you're gaining attention on, basically. So you want to link those to your website so you're able to facilitate those messages all throughout your brand and people are able to be engaged with you, build an audience. Those relationships are key into building a business and helping you drive more traffic. Today, everybody is on their phone, so you want to make sure your website is mobile friendly. Test your site regularly on various devices, though, to consider that it's looking good on each device. You got mobile phones, tablets, other different devices that can go from small to big, so you want to check it on each resolution. A good rule of thumb is to design with mobile users in mind first from the start, ensuring all elements work well on small screens first, and then expand it to bigger sizes so that you can really know that it's working on all those devices. Also, track your website's performance with analytics. Install Google Analytics to monitor your traffic and user behavior and conversions. Use this data to refine your strategies and improve your site continually. So be sure to just have some analytics on your website so you can really track visitors and see what's going on, what type of hits you're getting. Because those key metrics, such as those page views and also the bounce rate and conversion rates, are key data to identifying areas of improvement or seeing what you're doing good at and seeing the type of people that you're attracting so you can really know which demographic to go after. Also, be sure to secure your website. That is paramount. Ensure your website is using HTTPS for secure communication. That's when it has the S after the HTTP and your domain name. Also, do regular backups and also have good plugins to ensure that you're protected from any threats. So a good way is to install an SSL certificate to encrypt data and build trust with visitors. Regularly back up your website, and then also things like malware and hackers from threats. You got to have a good plugin for that. That's going to help prevent those things from happening and having your website crashing, because that's no fun. Optimize your website speed by compressing those images and using a CDN, a content delivery network. When you compress those images, it reduces the load times without sacrificing the quality. And the CDN is there to distribute content across multiple servers so that pages load quicker and people are able to see that content quicker. Because even if a person has to wait more than 2 seconds, they may just leave, and that will increase your bounce rate. Incorporate effective call to actions to really guide your visitors to take the action that you want them to take. Make sure that it's clear and compelling and is strategically placed across your website so it maximizes those conversions. Be sure to test different call to actions to see what best works. So if you're selling anything, a good one is buy now, shop here, but really have a clear way of guiding them to the next step. Also, having a blog will help boost SEO as well, and it positions you as an industry authority. Generate ideas by addressing those common customer questions that you're getting, and promote your posts on the social medias and your newsletters. So send out emails about your blogs and post them on your social media, your Facebook, your LinkedIn regularly, and regularly update that content with high quality relevant content. Keep it fresh, keep it new, and keep it valuable with tons of information that's going to help a person get to the next step. Build an email list to nurture leads and maintain customer relationships. Offer incentives like discounts or exclusive content to people that sign up, because that's going to keep people engaged with your email list. So you could create a sign up form that's easy to find on your website. Just take their name, email, phone number. Just keep it short and simple. They put the information in, then you're able to follow up with them where you're able to nurture those leads and send them updates and just build a long-term relationship with those customers. Customer support is so important. So you want to offer excellent customer support on your website through live chat, through the contact forms, through the FAQ section, your frequently asked questions. Be prompt on the responses and provide helpful information that helps enhance your user's experience, because you want this website to be good for the user experience so they could get what they want, get what they need, they're satisfied. Things like the live chat is good for gaining information like names, emails, contacts, so you can follow up with people right away and just really help them in their process. Also, you want to ensure that your website complies with legal requirements. So have a privacy policy, terms and conditions, a cookies notice, to really protect your business. And this will also build trust with users, because they're going to feel like they're safe, their data is okay, and everything is put together where they understand what to expect and how to go about using your product or going about your service. So you let them know any disclaimers, any responsibilities that they should have. Notify them to really keep them informed and let them know that if you are tracking their data, that you are doing it with consent. Regularly test your website's usability. Conduct A/B testing to optimize elements and gather user feedback to identify areas of improvement. You should do this usability testing with real users to really identify pain points and areas of improvement from a real person, because they will let you know. And there's different tools that you can use so you can really see the type of path that they're taking and see if that's really going to help with their user experience, and you want to continuously enhance that. Okay, now you're ready to launch your website, but be sure that you went through this whole pre-launch checklist to ensure everything's in place. And after you launch it, monitor the performance and make continuous improvements to keep your website fresh and relevant so it becomes a valuable asset to your business and as it grows. This comprehensive pre-launch checklist covers technical design and content aspects. Make sure you test all links, forms, and functionalities to ensure everything works correctly. Monitor your website's performance after launch and use analytics to make data-driven improvements. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can build an effective website that boosts your local business visibility and success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your business online. See you next time.